What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, as you can probably tell from the title, I'm going to be heading to Nissan to actually get my car looked at again. I've gone to Jenkins Nissan 2 times, and they basically say they need to keep the car at least overnight, or at least a day or so, to diagnose what's going on while my parking brake light is always on. And since it's on, I can't use cruise control as well. So my extended warranty is about to be up, so I'm really trying to get it taken care of now. Hasn't really been a big rush to get it done because it's not really affecting anything other than the cruise control. And of course, I am tired of seeing the light on as well. So I'm actually going to a different dealership today. I've been going to Jenkins Nissan, where I got the car from. Now I'm going to be going to Universal Nissan, see if they have any better luck for one, or see if I can at least, because it'll be a lot easier getting a ride from Universal to where I live versus from Jenkins, because that's quite a ways away. So yeah, let's go ahead and head on over there, see what they say. As you can see, I'm back to my usual spot. Car looking pretty good. It's been what, 2 weeks since it's been cleaned, but it still looks decent. Except for the fling up from when they put that tire wet on. But okay, so dropping the car off now. They did say it's probably going to be at least 4 hours or so. So I'm going to probably get me, I might get an Uber home, because I definitely don't want to sit around here all day. I've definitely done that before. So, and even if they need to have it a little longer, it will work a little better this time, because like I said, I'm a lot closer to home, and I'm off for the next few days, so I will be good if they do need to keep it. Yeah, it was just way too far to try to get an Uber home from Jenkins, and nobody seemed to have any rental cars or anything like they usually do. They did want to go over the brakes to make sure I didn't have any aftermarket brakes, because they saw that the color was changed. Let them know that it's the original brakes, just different pads and different rotors. But the light itself has been on for, shoot, probably 6 months. Actually, a little after I got bagged is when it came on. So however long that's been. I've had the brakes and rotors probably twice as long. So I don't know, it's just the light, so we'll see what they come up with. But while I'm here, I'll go ahead and take a look and see what they got on the lot. Titan Rocky Ridge. A nice special edition. Definitely don't know too much about these. It's pretty dope. Now I know they have a few different types of dealerships around here. Universal does anyway. Let's see how I can get over there if I can. I heard him from a little ways away.
The next day.
Alright, so this is the next day, and my car's still not ready, and they don't know exactly what's going on. So still waiting for that update. Taking my wife's car, about to meet a homie at Speed Zone, as well as place an order for some new brakes and possibly rotors for my wife's car. So gonna do that today. Should see some pretty dope cars at Speed Zone as usual, but yeah, I ain't gonna hold you up too much. Let's go ahead and head on over there. Alright, just pulling up. That looks like it does some damage on the street. The Stinger just pulled up. Loving those wheels, those white wheels. Let's go ahead and head in and talk with the homies.
1 hour later.
Okay, so it's been a while. Homie got his car done. Didn't really record too much because it was lights that he got done for the door for his wife's SUV. But as far as my car, I did get a call from Universal Nissan, and they said they did figure out what was going on. They said for some reason I do need a wiring harness. They didn't have any like pricing or anything, but he did say that my warranty was going to cover it. So that's a good thing. Definitely don't have to worry about it. Said should know a little bit more tomorrow in terms of like how much it's going to be and everything. Even though it's not going to be something that I have to pay out of pocket, just got to pay my deductible. And he'll let me know how long it's going to take for it to be done as well. I was kind of hoping it'll be done for this video. I'm going to give this video a little time. I'm going to wait to edit it until tomorrow. If it ain't done or I don't hear a word by a certain time, I'm just going to edit the video and upload it on Wednesday. So if you're seeing this on Wednesday, yeah, I don't have my car back yet. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're at right now. I will say they definitely had a pretty good process. They've been keeping me up to date on what's going on and setting the expectations for me. So I definitely do appreciate that. I really didn't have a lot when I went to Jenkins, which I usually go to Jenkins. So that's something different because I did get the car from Jenkins. So, but Universal seemed like they're pretty legit. I'm still gonna be going to get my oil changes at Jenkins because it's $6. Well, I think they said it went up to $10. I don't know because of everything going on, but either way, it's still pretty cheap. Okay, so I was able to get the call before I did the video. I got the call from Universal Nissan. They said that basically what happened was the harness itself was actually damaged by a drill bit, so it wouldn't be covered under the warranty. So I have to pay a little bit more for the diagnostic fee than I was expecting, but I told them not to go ahead and fix it because basically it was going to be, I believe they said it was going to be between $4,000 or $5,000, and they're trying to charge $1,000 for the harness alone. So I was like, yeah, I'm not going to worry about it. There's nothing actually wrong. It's just the light itself doesn't go off. So the only thing is really stopping is me from using the cruise control. So I mean, that's a bummer, but definitely not gonna throw that money out there right now to fix that. It's not that serious. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on with it. But that's where we're at. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else to update you on for now. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the comment of the day, and the comment of the day goes out to and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you might be selected. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.